Bree Toy Review.
Hi guys, this is Bree. Hey Mom, can I please have some eggs for breakfast?
Sure.
Wait a minute guys, this is not eggs, this is a toy. It is Hatchimals. So guys, this is Hatchimals secret snacks. Now let's open it. Ooh, it's a collectible. But before we check out the collectible book, we have to see the Hatchimals. Ooh, there's one that's not an egg. Let's see. Oh my god, it's so cute! Now I think I'm gonna open this one. There's something I think you call this. Look at this, it's so cute! So guys, look, it also comes with another one that you don't have to open. It is so precious. Well, let's open this one since we didn't open this one yet. Look what we got. Ooh, it also comes with stickers. Look at the sticker. Really pretty sticker. Now let's open this one. Let's open up this one. Oh my god! Now let's open up this one. Oh my god. On to the next one. Oh my god. Guys, check it out. We can put these together. Guys, check it out. Now let's open up this one. Ooh, it has hearts on it and donuts. I love donuts. Look at her. He is really colorful. Now on to this one. Oh my god. Look what I got. So adorable. On to the next one. It has lollipops on it. Last but not least. Ooh, I love cotton candy, like, whoa, cotton candy. Now, let's see how rare they are. Gray wings means common, pink wings means rare, Purple means ultra rare. Blue means a limited edition. So, let's see. So guys, these are all common. And these ones are rare. Guys, these ones are a limited edition. It's so amazing. Guys, I hope you had so much fun as I did opening all these Hatchimals with me. And don't forget to be nice and kind to other people. Bye! Hey guys, did you forget about something? Don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell, and give me a thumbs up.